Well, Junkaholics, we're here to pick up a garage door for a real estate buddy of mine. This is a rental property and he wants to put in a fence, so he needs this gone. So I'm gonna load her up. Time for joke of the day. There's a man and a woman. They're out in the forest one night and they decide to start having sex. After about 15 minutes, the man says, "Damn, I wish I had a flashlight." And the woman says, "So don't I. You've been eating grass for the last 10 minutes. So we're at the scale and it's reading 5160. So I don't know how much this truck weighs, so we're soon going to find out. $51.60. Come on. Turn the green light on. We're weighing out 44.40. It was at 51.60. Well, we're at 44.20. So that was a half decent little load. 44.40. 44.20 is what the green light's at. Back with what it is, weighs what it pays. What it weighed, what it paid. So, double car garage door and one small little flimsy barbecue. Came in at 720 pounds. So that's not bad. At $180 a ton. So it's still low. But hey, 68 bucks. Ain't gonna say no to that. A lot of you are gonna say, that door was aluminum, but it was insulated, and now it had to rip out all the insulation. Just not worth my time. So I just put it in tin and good enough. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And have a great Canada Day weekend.